welcome to my channel. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications.
Okay, good morning to one and all. So, already we have done so many videos in the YouTube channel. The channel name is Teaching with Rangesh. In this channel, we have to discuss on mathematics sessions. We have I'm teaching mathematics. My name is Rangesh. My YouTube channel is Teaching with Rangesh. Please subscribe it. So, already we have done three videos. And next session, in the previous days, we have to create so many videos on mathematics and Vedic maths and spoken English, how to develop spoken English skills. In this session, let us discuss about Vedic mathematics. So, how to do easy way in mathematics problems and multiplications, divisions, square roots. By learning this Vedic maths is useful for we have to do the sums, multiplications and divisions and subtractions and additions in fastest way. And this Vedic maths is useful for competitive exams. In this competitive examination, time factor is very most important. So the calculation parts is very most important. So that's why now I am introducing basic mathematics in this session. So let us go through this once all of you. So Vedic maths. So what are mathematical signs? Do you know that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called mathematical signs or is called as mathematical digits, not numbers. So these are called digits 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called digits. By using of these digits, we are forming numbers. For example, if you can write 29 is there. 2 is a digit, 9 is a digit. But you can write in this way, that is called as a number. 29 is a number. Numbers are formed by digits and numbers have two types. One is face value or local value and the place value. Already we have learned in lower classes also. What is the face value? 29 is the face value. The number is called as 29. What is meant by place values? 9 is units place, 10 is in tens place. Units place and tens place. So we can write in this way, 29 can be written as 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1. 2 tens are 20, 9 ones are 9. That is equals to 29. So that is called as the place value and face value. So the face value is 29. The place value is 9 is in units place, 2 is in tens place. 2 into 10, tens place is 10 value, 1's place is 1 value. 2 into 10, 20, 9 ones are 9. We can add this 20 plus 9, we are getting 29. That is called as the face value. Next of all, numbers have face value and a local value, or otherwise it is called as place value. Digits have only face value and a local value. But digits, we can take digit, it is a digit, it is a digit, it is a digit. Only face value is there, not place value is not there. Place value means there is no place value, but face value is there. What is the face? 4 is the value, 3 is the value. Face value. It is called 3, it is called 1, it is called 4. It is called 4 and it is called 3 and it is called 1. So these are all called face values, not place values. Okay? You have to understand clearly. So these are mathematical signs and also called as the digits. These are also called as the digits. So already we know that is called even numbers and odd numbers. Now we have to discuss about even numbers and odd numbers. Already we know that is the main basic concept, even numbers. So a number is divisible by 2, we are getting the number. The remainder is 0, that is called even number. A a number, we have to divide with any number, we have to get the remainder 1, then it is called as odd number. The formula of even number is 2n. The formula of odd number is 2n plus 1, or it can be written as 2n minus 1. These are the main formulas of even number and odd number. And what is the, for example, if you can take 2n, even number formula, in the place of n, we can write 1, 2, so on, any number. For example, n is equal to 7, 2 into 7, that is equal to 14. 14 is even number, right? 14 is divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14, we are getting remainder is 0. So that is called even number. For example, 2 n is, we can take 9, 2 9s are 18. 18 is also even number. N is 20. If we can take n is equal to 20, 2 into 20, 40. 40 is also an even number. So that's why the formula of even number is 2n. But what about the odd number formula? Odd number formula is 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1. We have to check it whether it is right or wrong. Once we can check it. 2n minus, for example, 2n plus 1. n is equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. 5 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder we can get 1. So that's why this formula is correct. Otherwise you can use in the other formula 2n minus 1. n is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. This is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. If you can take any one. So the main formula of even number and odd numbers are, the even number formula is 2n and the odd number formula is 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1. These are the formulas for even and odd numbers. Here, well, what about 0? 0 is a number or not a number? 0 is a number, neither positive nor negative, neither prime or composite. 0 is also called as a number. Okay, 0 is a number. It is neither positive or negative, and it is neither prime or non-composite. 0 belongs to whole number. 0 is called as whole number. And next we have to discuss about the prime numbers. Already we know that even numbers and odd numbers, and prime and composite numbers are there. But we have to discuss about prime numbers. What is the definition of prime? A number has only one and itself as factors is called as a prime number. One and itself as a factor. For example, if you can take 3, what are the factors of 3? 3 1s are 3, 1 3s are 3. Otherwise you can take 5, 5 1s are 5, 1 5s are 5. So 1 and itself are factors is called as a prime number. Already by using, how can you find out a prime number? CV of orthospace. We know the one condition that is called as how to find out the prime numbers and composite numbers by using of CV of orthospace. Okay, first we have to discuss this one. Prime numbers below 100. These are the prime numbers below 100 are there. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These are the prime numbers below 100. And next, how many prime numbers are below 100? We have to remember it. So many questions are there in a competitive examinations. First of all, we must remember. First we have to count it. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 100 below prime numbers are how many? 100 below 100 prime numbers? 23. So we have to remember it. So many competitive exams, questions are arise. So we have to remember it. These are the prime numbers below 100. How many prime numbers are there? 23 prime numbers are there. We have to remember it. Now we have to discuss about reversible primes. So reversible primes means if you can take a number, we have to reverse it. Unit place is tens place and tens place is unit place. That also becomes a prime number. So once we have to go through this. Below, here these are the numbers. Below 1000, these are the reversible prime numbers. For example, 13 is there. Then we have to reverse the place values. Then it becomes 31. 31 is also become a prime number. It is also become a prime number. That's 17. We have to reverse it. 7, 1. It is also a prime number. 37. We have to reverse it. 73. It is also becomes a prime number. It also becomes a prime number. Next we can go to the 107. We have to reverse it. 701. It is also become a prime number. And next one is 113. We have to reverse it. 311. It is becomes a prime number. And the last one is 149. Reversible. We have to reverse the unit places. Place values. Tens, hundreds place, tens place, and units place. Units place becomes hundreds place. Hundreds place here is common, and hundreds place becomes ones place. 941 is a prime number. These are all called the reversible primes. 13, 17, 37, 107, 113 and 149. How many reversible primes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 are called reversible primes. In these numbers we have to reverse it, then it becomes a prime number. These are called the reversible prime numbers. Okay. Next we have to discuss about composite numbers. Highly composite numbers. Already composite numbers means we know that more than 2 factors is called a composite number. General definition is there. Prime numbers means only one and itself are factors is called a prime number. More than 2 factors is called as a composite number. But this is the important concept. What is that? Highly composite number. Highly composite numbers or 2 numbers are there. One is 6 and another one is 12. 6 and 12 are there. These are called highly composite numbers. Why are we calling it highly composite numbers? That means, so what are the factors of 6? 1 is a factor. 1 and itself is a factor. 1 and itself is a factor. That is common thing. Next factors of 6 is 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Or what are the factors of 12? 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. For example, in this 6 it has how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors. Now what about 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors. We have to observe it below 6 numbers. Below 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If any number doesn't have 4 factors. For example, if you can take 1 to 6. For example, 4 is there. What are the factors of 4? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor. 3 only. But here 4 are there. We can take 5. 1 5 is 5. 5 is a prime number. Only 1 and itself is there. So, any number below 6 has no factors are there. Only 6 has 4 factors are there. So that's why this is called a highly composite number. For example, we can take 12. 12 has how many factors are? We are getting 6 factors. So that's why. So 12 is called a highly composite number. Why? Because of below 12, any number doesn't have 6 factors. We can take 10. 10 has how many factors? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 5 is a factor, and 10 is a factor. Only 4 factors are there. We can take 11. 11 is a prime number. 9. 1 9s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So, any number less than 12. 12 below numbers doesn't have 6 factors are there. Only 12 have 6 factors are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So that's why 12 is called a highly composite number. But what about 6? Below 6 numbers, any number doesn't have 4 factors. So that's why 6 is called a highly composite number. So in any competitive exams, what are the highly composite numbers are there? Below 20 means 6 and 12. Or below 6 is there, and below 12, 12 is there. So, have you understood clearly? Okay, dear students, so these are the basics. Once we have to go through, this is Vedic math session. Already I have done so many videos. 4-5 videos. This is the main subject videos, but this is the Vedic maths. Today onwards, or every 2 days later, we have to discuss about Vedic math sections in our channel, YouTube channel. We have to subscribe it. Teaching with Rangesh. My channel name is Teaching with Rangesh. Please subscribe it, my channel, and we have to learn the subject. So I know, we know very well, but these are some important concepts we have to discuss in this session also. This is the Vedic math session. Every 2 days later, we have to done one video on. We have to doing one video on Vedic maths. So please follow it. My channel is Teaching with Rangesh. Please subscribe it.